If the mobile data is not working in your Android device, then let us see some of the ways to fix the issue. Now let us start with the basic at first. The first thing that we will do is we will toggle the airplane mode on and off. So what you do, swipe down to open the notification center. So this is the airplane mode, enable it, then wait for about 20 to 30 seconds and then again disable the airplane mode. Now the next thing that we will do is we will remove the SIM card from the phone and then we will insert the SIM card again. Sometimes it might happen that the SIM card is not inserted properly, due to which it might not be detected and your mobile data is not working. After doing these two things also, if the mobile data still does not work, then what you will do is you will go to settings, you will go to connections, then you will go to mobile networks, then go to network mode, and then what you do is choose 2G or 3G at first, and then again choose the highest network mode that you have. For me it is LTE 3G 2G. I will select that one. After that what we will do is we will go to access point names and then we will tap on these three dotted icons and then we will select reset to default and then reset. After that what you do, you select your service provider. Now let us go back and then let us go to network operators. Then what we will do is we will select this option, select manually. So it will search for all the networks that are present in your area. It might take some time, so you check the network provider name from here and whichever is your network provider, you can just select that one. Now after that what we can do is we will again go back. We will go back to this option. We will go to data usage and then we will go to mobile data usage. Then click on this gear icon, and what you have to check from here is make sure that you don't have this set data limit. If you see here right now I have set the data limit to 1 gigabyte. That means if I will use 1 gigabyte of mobile data, then after that I cannot use the mobile data in my phone. So what you have to do is you have to disable this option, set data limit, so that you can use data limit up to the time you have mobile data left in your phone. Now the other thing what you have to know is you have to check how much of data you have used until now. Generally when you use mobile data, you might have subscribed to a plan such as 1 GB or 10 GB for a month. So what you have to do is how much of data you have consumed. For that one we will go to settings again, then we will go to connections, we will go to data usage, and from here you will check how much of data is used. If I see I have used 2.18 MB of mobile data and the total data is 1 gigabyte. So you have to make sure that you have the data package left so that you can use the mobile data in your Android phone. So do all of these options and check if this will fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.